Chris Zorn here from MarineMax Baltimore, aboard a brokerage boat. It's a 2013 Regal 42 Sport Coupe. We'll start here on the transom. As you can see, you have a very spacious swim platform, great for entertaining. Also have very easy access. This whole piece will come up and give you access to your engines. The other nice features you see, you have access to your gunnels from either side. That way, coming up and having to get your lines, it's much easier to get through. Transition up here. Up here, you'll notice there's a very spacious sun pad, which does have this transition back to create more room, allowing you to lounge and actually put your back up against the seat. Plenty of cup holders throughout here in the cockpit. You're also going to notice that you have a stereo remote and a freshwater wash down. If you take a look here, you have complete wraparound seating with a table in the middle, which is removable for entertainment, and then an additional access to check your engines. As you transition inside, you notice that you have a full sliding glass door and a sliding window. It allows you to close these doors off, get the elements out, keep your air conditioning in, or if you're entertaining, open this up and have plenty of open air. To optimize your entertainment, you'll notice here in this particular area, you have an ice maker, a refrigerator, a sink, a grill, and a television. You can also put a cover over top of the grill so you have the ultimate wet bar. Notice here there's a nice wraparound seating section. Again, allows for plenty of entertainment, a lot of comfort, especially underway. Another nice, very selling feature of this boat, you do have a walk-through center with a very large opening that goes out to the bow. You'll notice the sunroof here, as well as a very large sun pad for getting your tan. Not to mention some nice storage here in the front. You notice here in the helm, you have your Fusion stereo, your Garmin VHF, your Garmin autopilot, as well as your Garmin 7212 multifunction unit. That'll give you both your radar and your GPS. If you look forward, you still have your analog gauges, which will give you your hours, fuel, and RPM. But if you move over to the starboard side, you'll notice that you do have your digital Volvo displays, as well as your digital shift, your joystick docking, as well as an electric control for the captain's chair. Transitioning into the salon, you notice that you do have some nice wraparound seating here. You have the table that does fold down, so you can have a full table, or you can fold it back for ease of getting into the sofa area. You notice as you look around, you do have a nice sharp television, Bose surround sound, and then you do have a box for your KVH television. Above me, you have seal of ample storage. Here in the galley, you notice you'll have a microwave, some nice drawer storage, a Kenyan 2-burner cooktop, storage throughout the cabinets here, a nice large round sink for your dishes, as well as a nice size refrigerator. Here forward in the master suite, you'll notice that you have an island berth, plenty of storage around the bed, drawer storage down below. You have your head over to the port side with a separate shower to the starboard. Finally, in the aft cabin, you notice you have 2 twin beds, which do have filler cushions to convert into a full-size bed, your own AC control, a television, as well as a head and your own sink. Thank you for taking the tour of this brokerage 2013 42 Regal Sport Coupe. Please call my cell phone at 410-322-8932 to set up an appointment for this boat.